People think that when they think here, there, and everywhere about this thing, about that thing, their thoughts are insignificant. Insignificant means it does not create the results. It does not influence people. It does not create problems, or it does not create creative activities. Insignificant. But Master Moria says that thought is a very powerful energy, electromagnetic energy, which we release every time we think, and this thought goes and sticks with chairs, with people, with walls, with tables, with the space, with people's minds, and everywhere. So it is something that we must be careful, because every minute we are releasing thoughts. Every minute you are thinking and you are releasing thoughts. Either that thoughts are going to build something beautiful or something destructive. Now, first line, it says that one more misconception. If you think about the teaching and think how we can define the teaching, I can see that we define the teaching as something which disperses the illusions and reality, misconceptions, misunderstandings, and establish reality. It is a very, very nice definition. If somebody asks you what is the teaching, teaching is like a light which eradicates misconceptions, illusions, and misunderstandings. What are these three things? These three things, misconception, illusion, and misunderstanding, are some kind of forms in our mental body which eats the reality and do not let our brain, our body, our mind, our hands, our feet working through reality. And whenever you do not work with reality, in reality, you are in danger. Because you are deceiving yourself. You don't have right tools in your hands. You don't have right understanding about problems, about the need. And now you are in chaos. Because the teaching, what it does, it takes your mind and puts into reality. That is the greatest power of the teaching.